Hi students, welcome to another video of Smartly Learn. In this video, let's find the solution for the fifth question in exercise 5.3. Find dy by dx in the following. The expression here is x²+xy+y² is equal to 100. So here every term we are going to differentiate with respect to ex. So the first term, if you differentiate, it will simply become 2x. As for the second term, remember, like in the previous sum, treat xy as a uv in the uv form. So u is x and v is y. So here first I am retaining x and differentiating y. So it is x dy by dx. Next time I am retaining y and differentiating x. Differentiation of x is either way 1. So it is y into 1 y. Now for the differentiation of the last term. So this will become 2y dy by dx is equal to, on the right side it is just a constant, so after differentiation it will become 0. Now keep all the dy by dx on the left side and move the rest of the terms to the right side. So x dy by dx plus 2y dy by dx is equal to minus y minus 2x. So collect the dy by dx term outside. So dy by dx into x plus 2y is equal to, I am taking this minus sign out. So it is minus 2x plus y. Minus of, I am putting a bracket out here. So in the last step, we can write out the value of dy by dx. So dy by dx is minus of 2x plus y, the whole thing divided by x plus 2y. In the next video, we will find the solution for the sixth question in this exercise. See you in the next video. Bye.